Today I'm going to show you how to use Nicertube. Nicertube is a really easy website to use, and what it does is it takes all the junk and all the clutter out of YouTube links when you are sharing it with your class or sharing it in a meeting or sharing it in a website. The first thing you do is go into YouTube and select your link, and then you go up to the very top and you copy that specific link. From there, you go to nicertube.com, and about halfway on the page, you go to step one and you paste your link into this box. Step two, you select the design, you select the color, and you can mess around with the color a little bit. So we'll go into design. We'll do a school background. And then the last portion of this, you go all the way down and you click here to create your Nicertube. Click on the blue box, and there's your new Nicertube link. So copy that link. And what I usually do is I'll copy the link. I'll put it this week at Columbine or whatever, however I'm sending out that link. I'll paste it. And then you can see if you click on it, there you have it, the Nebraska fight song. It's a really easy website to use, and it does do a good job of taking out all the clutter and all the stuff that are on YouTube links.